Beautiful one. So basically, this is gonna be a beautiful broccoli green juice recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Okay. So first of all, we're going to start it off. So right here, we're going to put some broccoli into our blender. All right. So right there, this is the amount of broccoli I'm going to be using. So what I'm going to do, all right, because it's a green juice from the broccoli, and I don't want to be using too much broccoli, so I think I may take a little bit back out of it. All right. So we're going to use this amount of broccoli right there. All right. So we got the broccoli. Right here also we got some celery. We're going to put roughly about 1/4 cups of celery inside of it. All right. Nice one. We got some ginger inside of it. All right. Fresh ginger. Right here I have some spinach. We're going to put roughly about a handful of spinach into the blender. Like this. Beautiful. All right. We're going to get some lemon. I like my lemon. All right. So let's get roughly about, this is half lemon, which we're going to be using inside of it. All right, so we're just gonna squeeze in that lemon juice into it. All right, beautiful. I like my natural green juice like these. You know what I mean? I'm always making them. So we're not gonna put any honey or sugar or sweetener inside of it. Okay. Now we're gonna put roughly about a cup of water into it. If you want to add some honey, you can add, but we're going to leave it naturally. All right. Nice one. So right here, I'm going to put on the lid. All right. And this is the way it looks right here. So we're going to make some noise. All right. One. Now, to be honest with you, you can run it through the strainer if you don't like too much of the fiber. So that's what I'm gonna do. Because me personally, I like to run it through the strainer. Okay, but you don't have to. It's optional. You can drink it naturally. And this is the way it looks. Beautiful. All right. So right here, just gonna pour it out into the strainer. As I say, you don't have to, it's just option. All right. Simple, give it a little bit of mix like this. Because the fiber are gonna be really heavy. Although it's good for you, but it's gonna be really heavy. So what you can do, grab a tablespoon of it, the rest of the fiver, and mix it into this. It's beautiful, look at that. All right. That is so amazing. That looking so good, guys. I love it. Here it is, and that's the way it looks. And what you can do for a powerful green juice like this. All right. So once you're done with it, finish it up. All you're going to do is shear it up. All right. As you can see. Wow, that is amazing. I thought I would get more from it. One of the first, but let's see. This is my little cup. Now, wait, I thought I would get more from it, you know, guys. Honestly, I can't believe I only get that amount from it. Yeah, but I thought I would have to get more. But this is so amazing. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Nice. Enjoy this, guys. Stay tuned in. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo cooking. But that was lovely. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful one. And as I said, we got a lot more recipes. A lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo. All right. If you like this kind of video, you know exactly what